Good morning, students. Today we are going to be reading What Should We Wear by Rachel Martinez. Let's begin. Today is a rainy, wet day. What should we wear? It is raining very hard on this tree. Today we will wear boots and raincoats. These are their boots and these are their raincoats. They are coats to protect from the rain. Today is a snowy, cold day. What should we wear? It is snowing and very cold. Today we will wear coats and gloves. This is a coat and these are gloves on her hands. Today is a windy, dry day. What should we wear? It is windy but dry. There is no rain. Today we will wear sweaters and scarves. This is a sweater. This is a scarf. They can keep you warm when it's windy and chilly. Today is a sunny, hot day. What should we wear? It is sunny and hot outside. Today we will wear hats and sandals. These are the hats and these are her sandals. Today is a hot and cold, wet and dry day. What should we wear? There are lots of clothes for different weather and temperature. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye.